Where to find the best sites. Barbecue grills and smokers. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to buy a barbecue tool kit. These selected resources on the web might help you. The most helpful site to learn about how to buy a barbecue tool kit is www.barbecue-smoker-recipes.com. See the page titled Barbecue Utensils Tool Kits, Barbecue Smoker Recipes. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site www.ebay.com, especially the page Barbecue Grill Tool Kits eBay, Electronics, Cars, Fashion. This is the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see 0.r.msn.com. The web page Kemper Tool Kit at Amazon, free shipping on qualified orders. This is the link.